National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northern Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, until 7 p.m. At 6:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairdale, or 12 miles west of Uniontown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Uniontown, Massentown, Farmington, Fairdale, Fairchance, Isabella, Dunbar, Smithfield, Republic, Nemacolin, Carmichaels, New Salem. Tornadoes can develop unexpectedly from severe thunderstorms. If a tornado is reported, move to a basement or small, central room in a sturdy structure. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.